In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create intake forms in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to tailor a form that collects the information you need clearly and professionally. First, start inside your SimplePractice account and head to Settings. From there, open the Documentation section, then click into the Template Library. This is your central hub for building and organizing all the documents your clients will complete. It keeps everything tidy and ensures your forms are easy to find later. Next, choose the option to Build New Template. This opens a clean workspace where you'll design your intake form from scratch. When prompted for the template type, select Intake Document. This tells SimplePractice that the form is meant for gathering initial information and consent. Give your form a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize at a glance, like New Client Intake or Telehealth Intake. Consistent naming makes it much easier to manage multiple forms over time. Now it's time to add your content. You can insert text to provide instructions or context at the top, so clients know what to expect and how long it might take. Use checkboxes for yes or no items, agreements, or acknowledgements. These are perfect for policies and consents. Include a signature line to capture formal consent at the end, and consider adding a date field alongside it to document when the consent was given. As you build, keep your language plain and specific, and group related questions together with short headings so the form flows naturally. Think about the information you truly need to start care and avoid over-collecting. Where appropriate, mark essential items as required and leave optional fields for details that are helpful but not critical. For longer forms, brief instructions under each question can reduce confusion and prevent incomplete answers. If you're adapting an existing form, review each item to make sure it matches your current policies and the services you provide. When you're satisfied with the structure and wording, click Save. Your new intake form is now ready and will appear in your template library. From there, you can return to make edits in the future. Duplicate it to create variations for different services, or keep it as your universal intake. Keeping everything in the template library ensures consistency across your practice and makes updates simple. That's it. Your intake form is built, organized, and ready for use. Thanks for watching, and happy form building in SimplePractice.